All right, guys, today I wanted to do a full unboxing review on my new hat stand. So you can see I really need one. Normally this is how my hats look, but hopefully this will fix that problem. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look. All right, and it's these right here. I guess if you want to label them, if you want to label them with the stickers, you can. And it also comes with these adhesives in case you're not just gonna have them like this. You could actually put them against the wall. I won't be hanging mine, so I probably won't be needing these, but I'll still keep these anyway. So let's go ahead and organize my hats onto these and see how it works. And that's how they look once you have them on there. Way more organized than what I have. It's really, really good. All right, so there you guys have it. Way more organized than what I have. They'll probably just keep it right here. You can probably even move them to my closet. Not exactly sure I'll keep them, but either way, it looks better than the mess that I had here. So definitely look into, if you want to keep your hats organized, look into these hat stands. I would recommend these. I'm definitely going to use. I might need another 2-pack. They do come in 2 packs. Got a total of 14 hats for you. So definitely take a look at them. Highly recommend.